before that, hey everyone, this is Zaruhan. Nice to meet you guys, and let's jump to the topic itself. Why is lighting so important, especially to beginner photographer? The most simple and bare minimum I can say is what lighting does. It helps you brighten your subject and create contrast from the background. If I will put in an example right now, it's telling you what you're saying. I have two light sources, one from my right, one from my left. My whole body is very bright. Compared to my background, it's very dark, which there's no other light source. So the main thing is all the light source is coming towards me. That's how you create contrast to the background and your main subject. Other than just brightening your subject or creating contrast from the back, away from the background, from the subject, why is lighting still so important in photography? The main reason why is because lighting can be used to create a certain atmosphere / emotion or to help you tell a certain story. And that's why lighting is so important in photography. Of course, even with the same lighting, photographer can shoot differently to achieve different results. So I'm going to show you 3 different lighting setups that I would use to create different atmosphere and emotion to show you guys how lighting does affect the emotion and the story itself. With the same pose, slightly the same background, but with different lighting to create. The first one is a basic lighting. What I will do is aim the speed light on the ceiling. So this will disperse all the light and make sure that it hits almost everything on my body. So it will just be a very simple photo on a white wall. Okay, that's as simple as that. After that, I'll show you the result and we'll go to the next two.
As you can see, this is the pose that I decided to go with, and you can notice that the speed light is actually behind the camera so that it won't flash the camera itself.
This was the result of the previous shoot. As you can see, it's just a very basic photo. It's a bright subject. There's no contrast between the wall because I just brightened the whole room. Of course, that really depends on how you shoot it. But now we're going to do silhouette shoot. So how silhouette happens during a photograph is when your light source is behind your subject. Of course, we are putting our speed light behind here. Now, of course, we don't want to aim our speed light up. We want to make it face on the wall. So what this does, it shoots the light on the wall and the light will bounce back to us. If that makes sense. I mean, it does make sense, but if you guys understand what I'm saying. Of course, in outdoor, what you can do also is just putting the light source behind your subject and then how you create a silhouette photo. So let's get into it and show you how it's done.
As I said before, the light source is behind me and I cranked the power up a bit. So it's 1/4, and the main reason why is I want the light source to be brighter than me. So I'll be a bit darker.
Okay, as you can see, this is a silhouette shot. And as you can see, it does give off a different vibe. And with just a different lighting, even though it's the same pose, but with different lighting, it looks slightly better. So what is the next one I'm going to use? Well, the next one I'm just going to use a continuous light, which is just a sunset lamp that my friend got me, and a fog machine. So with this, I'll show you what it does and how it creates another effect. And why fog machine? Well, because sometimes in the place I'm living, there is no fog, but some places have fog, which will help you dissipate the light, which create more cinematic looks. As you can see, I'm using a fog machine and my lighting is right here. So what this does is create texture in the air. As you can see, it makes the lighting more visible in that sense. So not only that, it helps create some texture and create a different kind of lighting effect. With that, I'm going to show you guys the result of what this will come out of after I am done with more fog in the house. I'm not saying you need fog to create this effect. But outdoor also have fog or haze, which create this kind of effect also. Indoor and outdoor is very different, but I also want to show some outdoor things that you guys can do. Alright, as you can see, this is the result of the photo that I got. And right now my room is a bit foggy, so please forgive me. But yes, so with these 3 different lighting, I hope you learned something new today. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you're interested in taking a good phone photo, please click on this video. Other than that, this is Zaruhan, signing up.